This is the Champion RK-31C rebuild kit for the 1-inch 466 manual anti-siphon valves by Champion. Now in this kit, it's going to come with your seat washer, packing washer, float washer, float, and 2 red fiber gaskets. It's also going to come with this little paper cardboard slip in the bag with the parts. On the back side of it, it will have a list of items that are included with the kit, as well as a little picture breakdown there on the left of the valve showing where the parts are and where they are installed to. We'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions of each part included in the kit, starting with the float. We're going to try my best to get a total height. It's going to be, see if I can do it this way, be right at about 1.25 inches. And then outer diameter here at the base, also going to be right at 1.25 inches. And then a height of just that plastic stem that extends upwards, it's going to be right at 1 inch. And then going on to our packing washer, let's get an outer diameter that's going to be right at about 3/4 inch, with an inner diameter of just shy of 1/2 inch. And then we can also measure the seat washer. Also start with an outer diameter here, right at 1.25 inches. And then we can also measure that hole in the center. It's going to be right at about 1/8 inch. And then width or thickness, we're going to be right at 1/4 inch. And then our 2 fiber rings should measure right at the same. We're going to compare them just to be sure. As we can see there, they line up practically perfectly, so should measure exactly the same. So outer diameter, it's going to be about 1.25 inches. Then going to inner, we're right at just shy of 1.5 inches.
Does it have a rod and a ball?
Now I can't remember if we've measured the packing washer or not, so we're also going to get an outer diameter of that once again if we have measured it already. We're going to be right at 3/4 inch outer, with an inner diameter just shy of 1 inch, or 1/2 inch, my apologies. And once again, this is the Champion RK-31C 1-inch rebuild kit for the 466 manual anti-siphon valve.